Do you want a scalping strategy? One that gives clear buy and sell signals in just a few seconds? In this video, I will show a step-by-step method. You can use it today on MetaTrader. This method will help improve your trading consistency. Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Today, I will share a simple but powerful scalping strategy. We will use three indicators: Bollinger Bands, RSI, and Parabolic SAR. I will guide you step by step. You will learn settings, chart placement, and example trades. Even beginners can follow easily. Indicator setup. Bollinger Bands, open your MT4 or MT5 chart. Click Insert, Indicators, Trend, Bollinger Bands. Set period to 20. Set deviation to 2. Set shift to 0. Apply to close. Click OK. Two lines appear above and below price. These lines help identify overbought and oversold levels. Indicator setup. RSI, click Insert, Indicators, Oscillators, Relative Strength Index. Set period to 14. Add levels at 30 and 70. Apply to close. Click OK. A small RSI window appears below your chart. RSI shows momentum. Below 30 means oversold. Above 70 means overbought. Indicator setup. Parabolic SAR, click Insert. Indicators. Trend. Parabolic SAR. Set. Step to 0.02. Set maximum to 0.20. Click OK. Small dots appear above or below the candles. Dots below indicate upward trend. Dots above indicate downward trend. Buy rules. For a buy trade, wait for 3 confirmations. First, price touches or goes below the lower Bollinger Band. Second, RSI is at or below 30, and RSI is starting to turn upward. Third, Parabolic SAR flips below the candles. When all 3 conditions appear, enter a buy on the next candle. Set stop loss 10 to 15 pips below the recent low. Take profit at the middle Bollinger Band, or take 15 to 25 pips profit. Sell rules. For a sell trade, wait for 3 confirmations. First, price touches the upper Bollinger Band. Second, RSI is at or above 70, and RSI is starting to turn downward. Third, Parabolic SAR flips above the candles. Enter a sell on the next candle. Set stop loss 10 to 15 pips above the recent high. Take profit at the middle Bollinger Band, or take 15 to 25 pips profit. Risk management and tips. This strategy works best during London and New York sessions. Avoid trading during high-impact news events. Trade only major pairs, like EUR/USD, GBP/USD, or USD/JPY. Never risk more than 1% of your account per trade. Discipline and patience are more important than frequent trades. Record your trades. Learn and improve over time.